Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to boost a post on a Facebook page. To boost a post on a Facebook page, you simply need to log in to your Facebook app. In fact, there are two major ways to do it. Either you use the main Facebook app or you use the Business Suite app. Okay, so I will first begin with you using the main Facebook app. So you open your Facebook. Then when you open your Facebook, you will see just the interface like what I'm seeing. If you are using an Android phone, you will see three lines at the top right hand corner. If you are using an iPhone, you will see those three lines or the menu at the bottom right hand corner. So Android is at the top, iPhone or iOS is on the bottom right. Sometimes, depending on the device, the interface may be slightly different, but the features will be the same. Now when you so you click on the three lines at the top right hand corner, then you see small arrow pointing down. You click on that so you can select the page you want to select. So I've selected the page. So after selecting the page, you can click on your profile picture at the top left hand corner, and then in fact, even if you don't click on it, you can see at the top that they say what is on your mind. You can click on the what is on your mind, select the picture you want to post. So for example, if I want to select this video, I just click next and then post the video. Or if it's a picture, I will just say something about it. If it's a product or service I'm offering, I will describe the product or the service, put my contact numbers, click on next and publish it. But because I'm not actually setting up that advert, I will discard the post. I'll come back and click on my profile picture at the top left hand corner, scroll down. In fact, I have already posted a lot of things in the past, so I just want to continue with one of those I posted. So for example, I want to use this thing, I want to boost this post. So I'll just click on boost post. Then after clicking on boost post, I will select the options I want. So we have many goals. We have automatic, get more messages, get more engagement, get more leads, get more website visitors, get more calls. So if my goal, if you don't know what you want, that is why you choose automatic. But if you know what you want, don't choose the automatic. And let me explain the others to you so that you can choose what you want. If you want people to message you on WhatsApp, or they can message you on Messenger or the Business Suite, you choose the get more messages. If you want people to engage with your advert, like comment, like and share, you choose get more engagement. If you want people to fill a form in the form of leads to give you information that you can get leads, follow up, choose get more leads. If you want website visitors, choose get more website visitors, that like traffic. If you want get people to call you directly, choose get more calls. For me, I'm choosing get more messages because I want people to WhatsApp me. You go down, you will see the button. So they're asking what is the button that you want to choose. So you can click on it, and then I want to choose, in fact, I want get WhatsApp message. So let me check. I can't see that option there, but maybe but once it's send message, it will be the WhatsApp message. Once I selected, I will select the WhatsApp button. But before that, I want to scroll down and change the other account. This is not the other account I want to use. I have many other accounts. I want to use one of them, which I'm already using for my other advert. Okay, so I've selected the new other account. So after selecting the goal, the next thing left is to select the messaging app. So under the messaging app, you select WhatsApp if you want people to WhatsApp you only. If you want some to also send you a message on Instagram direct, you can connect or select the Instagram direct. If it is not connected, you click on connect, you will log into it and connect it. Messenger, if you also want, you can select it. But most of the time, if you want people to WhatsApp you and you select the Messenger and Instagram direct, they will also send the people on the, most of the people will rather choose Instagram direct and Messenger, because they don't want to WhatsApp you, and WhatsApping you will have their details direct. So if you choose WhatsApp and those options available, you will not get more WhatsApp messages. So I don't prefer that one, because when people send you a message on Messenger, you can't call them, and the interaction is not real time and it's not that effective. So choose WhatsApp if you want WhatsApp messages. Then you go to the audience. So under the audience, you choose the audience. You come down and click on create new if you don't have an audience. But I have an audience, and my audience is a Facebook ad setup. And then when you check, you see a lot of terms selected and all that. When I click on edit, you can make changes like the age group, the gender, whether men or women or all. There's even always a side where you can choose the terms. I can see it here. Maybe sometimes they keep on changing the softwares or updating them, but if it is on the ad manager on a computer or the ad manager app, you'll be able to edit and put the terms. So for example, I've selected interests like conversion tracking, conversion marketing, search engine marketing, content marketing, and all those things. So I'm okay with my audience. You go down, you see the budget. So the duration, how many days do I want it to run? So I can select whether I want it to run for a week or a month. So I want to run it for, normally I run it for 1 week, then see how the results is, then I can decide what to do next. I can just extend it if I'm okay with the results. So you go down, then you can choose the placement. The placement is where you want people to see it. If you want people to see it on both Facebook and Instagram, you choose them. If you want Messenger to find, but Messenger is not an effective placement, so no, I don't advise you to choose it. Then you come to the budget. See here, they've already chosen the total budget for me. I don't know the reason, but I'm supposed to be able to choose the budget I want. So normally you are likely to see the budget and the total duration there. So when you see the total duration, you put the number of days you want the advert to run. For example, if you want to reduce it to something like 5 days, just like what you're seeing here, and then there's always an option. You can edit the budget, and I'm sure whatever, if you get there, you will see that option to be able to change the budget. You will see total budget. So under the total budget, you will be able to choose an amount, and it will not just restrict you to some total budget for the total duration. So you check when you get there, you will see whichever amount. You will see there's a pencil there, and normally it will show around where the duration is. You will see the total budget above it. So you adjust it. If you want $5 a day for 1 week, that should be $35. So you put $35 there, so, and adjust the days to match with it. And if you are okay with all the settings, you can just come and click on boost post, and then your advert will start running. If you don't want to use this app, main Facebook app, you can use the Meta Business Suite app. So when you come and click on the Meta Business Suite, you come and then click on the plus. You can just choose photo or video, and then you can go to your gallery and pick a picture. After that, you post it, and then when you post it, you come back under content, look for one of the things you posted, just like this one. You click on the boost post, follow the same process, and you'll be able to reinstate. You'll be able to set up an advert or boost a post on Facebook. That is exactly what you need to do. Now, if you finish, if you have the ad manager app, you can just download that one, and also you'll be able to track the advert in more detail. Okay, you can track the advert in more detail, and you'll be able to follow it better and understand the dynamics and all those things. Okay, so thank you once again for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that. Like this video for other more powerful videos. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.